Here's what to do after an agentic reevaluation is complete. As in the previous evaluation run, we start by reviewing the deployment readiness indicator and additional metric scores on the evaluation results screen, as well as the detailed results screen. But this time, we read them against our previous run on the Agentic Evaluations homepage to assess the impact of our optimizations. If our agent displays ready for deployment on the evaluation results screen, it's ready to go. We ship it. If the score improved but our agent still isn't ready, that's expected. We run another cycle, select Review and Optimize, address the remaining issues, apply more optimizations, and reevaluate again. If the score didn't improve or got worse, we can revert our agent to an earlier version. Here are the rollback steps. We won't lose our work. Rollback is straightforward. For agent instructions, we navigate to AI Agent Studio and activate the previous version of our agent instructions. For tool description changes, we navigate to the optimized tool and replace the new description with our original description. Sometimes it takes multiple iterations to reach production readiness, and that's completely normal. Each cycle gets you closer. Trust the loop.